Okay, we're now going to, in this chapter, in this section, we're going to go through quite a few discrete probability distributions and catalog their major properties in terms of expectation variance and go through several examples of how these distributions arise in practice. The first one is what's called, we've already talked about it, but we'll go through it again for definiteness here. Is a Bernoulli trial. Bernoulli trials have one parameter. It's usually written as P. And that parameter is a value between 0 and 1. So P is between 0 and 1. And the setup is the setup of a coin toss. We have omega is set heads and tails. Those are the possible outcomes. And P is the probability that the coin lands tails, 1 minus P that it lands head. P is the probability that it lands heads, 1 minus P the probability that it lands tails. And then we define X, the random variable, to take heads to the value 1, tails to the value 0. Then X has the Bernoulli distribution and X is called a Bernoulli random variable with parameter P, or sometimes success probability parameter P. And the way that we would write this would be X is Bernoulli P. And the key properties of the Bernoulli distribution are expectation is P, variance is P times 1 minus P. Okay, so that's the Bernoulli distribution. Next distribution we're going to talk about is the binomial distribution.